In this video, I'll guide you through how to migrate from QuickBooks to Zoho Books. We'll walk through exporting your data from QuickBooks and then importing it into Zoho Books, focusing on your customer information. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so the move feels smooth and manageable rather than overwhelming. Let's start on the QuickBooks side. First, open your browser and go to quickbooks.com, then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one business. You want to be absolutely sure you're exporting data from the right place before you move anything over. Once you're in the correct company, you'll export your data. The exact wording of the export option might vary a little depending on your QuickBooks version, but you're looking for an option that lets you export your customer list. Typically, you can export this as an Excel or CSV file. When you choose to export, QuickBooks will either download the file directly or ask where you'd like to save it. Pick a location on your computer that's easy to find later, such as your desktop or a dedicated Zoho import folder. It's a good idea to quickly open that exported file to confirm it looks complete and readable, and that your customer names, emails, and other key details are visible. Once the export from QuickBooks is done and safely saved, open a new tab in your browser. In this new tab, go to books.zoho.com and sign into your Zoho Books account. Again, confirm you're in the correct organization if you manage multiple businesses within Zoho Books. Next, we'll move to the section where you'll import those customers. In the Zoho Books interface, look toward the main navigation panel and click on Sales. This is where Zoho keeps everything related to invoices, estimates, and your customer records. Inside the Sales section, click on Customers. This will bring up your customer list. If you're just starting out in Zoho Books, this list might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. You're about to fill it by importing the data you brought over from QuickBooks. In the Customers area, look for the three dots menu, usually found near the top right corner of the customer list. Click those three dots to open a small menu of additional options. From that menu, click Import. This tells Zoho Books that you'd like to bring in data from an external file instead of adding customers one by one. After you click Import, choose the option that says Import Customers. Zoho Books will now guide you through an import workflow specific to customer data. On the next screen, make sure Customers is selected as the type of data you're importing, then click Continue to move forward. Zoho will now ask you to upload your exported file. Click Choose File. A file browser window will open, showing the folders on your computer. Navigate to the location where you saved your QuickBooks export earlier. Select your QuickBooks exported file, then confirm your choice so it appears in Zoho Books as the file to be imported. From there, Zoho Books will walk you through mapping the columns in your file to the correct customer fields, and then you can complete the import. After a brief processing time, your QuickBooks customer data will be available inside Zoho Books, ready for you to use going forward.